What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be going over a really nice strategy on Palantir stock. So in the long term, we're pretty bullish on Palantir, but as of lately, Palantir has been pretty flat. As we can see here, it's only up 2 cents in the past week. Tons of ups and downs, but overall, not really moving too much. We take a look at the past 3 months. During this period for the last month, it's been pretty flat. So we can use some really nice strategies on Palantir stock using options to profit off of this nice flat phase that Palantir is going through right now. So let's head over to the options chain, and this is going to be a 4-leg options strategy called the Iron Condor. We're going to be choosing the shortest expiration date for the strategy, so August 13th, which is going to expire in 1 week. And we're going to try and figure out what kind of strike prices we want to pick. And we're going to be doing that by looking at some technical analysis on Palantir stock, so that we can see some really nice support around the 2250 range, 23, as well as a lot of resistance back at the $21 strike right now. So we're going to be heading over to the options chain and using the support lines as our strike prices. So for the call side, we're going to be buying the 23.5 and selling the 23 strike, because we don't think that Palantir is going to go past 23. It has a really good support line over here. So a resistance line rather. This is going to be the resistance. This is going to be support. So it has really good resistance around the $22, $23 mark. So we're going to do a little bit safer 23 strike. And then on the put side, we are going to do a $21 strike for the put side. So we're going to be selling the 21 strike puts and then buying the $20.5 strikes. As we can see, we're going to be receiving a total credit of $31 for the strategy. The collateral is going to be around $50. It's going to be the width of the strikes multiplied by 100, so $50 of collateral. And the good thing about the strategy is normally for multi-leg strategies such as iron condors or credit spreads, the bid and ask spread is going to be pretty wide, so it's going to be having a very hard time to fill. But in this strategy right here, we can see it's a very nice and tight bid and ask spread, so we can assume that we're going to be getting filled pretty easily on this iron condor. And this is a really good setup right here. We're going to be receiving a credit of $31, collateral of $50, which means we're going to be turning $19 into $50, which is pretty nice. So for the strategy, we need to take a look at the options profit calculator. So we've already pre-entered all of these values here. So this is what the profit chart is going to be looking like. As long as this stays between our strike prices, we're going to be making our $31 in full, because remember, we're risking $19 to make 31. So that's going to be what we're doing with this strategy, which is about a 150% return in just a week. A very good strategy for taking advantage of a flat stock like Palantir. So we're going to be doing one of these bad boys for the next week. So of course, you don't have to wait until expiration to close out your iron condor. But of course, if you do wait until expiration and the stock stays between your strike prices, you're going to be making your full credit of $31 right here. But of course, if you close out the contract early, you can always close it out at a nice profit. If the premium has bled out a lot for the iron condor, feel free to take profits if you see it. Just close it out and don't run the risk of having Palantir stock dip below one of your strike prices, because you can make money on your position before expiration, which is usually what I normally do. I just close it out right before expiration, unless I'm 100% sure it's going to stay within my desired price range, which is going to be between $21 and $23 strikes, because that's what Palantir has been trading for the past month right now. So we can safely sell at 9 Condor to take advantage of this low volatility period. But that's about it for this video. Quick little options play. And check out our link in the description for our Patreon. We have buy and sell option stock alerts. This guy right here made 125% return on some SE calls, which was alerted by one of our analysts. So link in the description to get into our premium service. That's about it. Thanks for watching.